Ron was like, leave on it. He's like, leave on it. And I left on it and it didn't even move. It just blew the tires off.
Got it.
So we're out here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Yeah, buddy.
So number 67431, Justin Palmer, 52. Steve Lee, Don Buchanan.
Right now we are at Bradenton Motorsports Park. NMRA 2020 is going on as we speak. We just went through thick and thin to get in here, and with media passes, I'm not really sure why. It's pretty strict compared to the norm. Yeah, we just came here to basically walk around, see how the setup was, because tomorrow we do have a shoot here. Just massively high horsepower. That's the goal.
As you can see, it's a little loud out here. I'm feeling great. I look great. These glasses just give me some type of a aura with the sunlight, don't you think?
It looks ridiculous.
He's just hating because my style, he just can't get on my level with my style, you know? Come on, what's up? We didn't prepare, no. He had a meltdown because we didn't have a truck prepared for today. So shout out to Ethan. What's his Instagram?
Keith, what are we doing here?
We are trying to find a parking spot. Ooh, almost hit somebody. Sorry, sir. We're here at NMRA at Bradenton Motorsports Park. This is a huge Mustang event that is sponsored by Nitto Performance, who we're actually going to be working with today. We'll be carrying out a video with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and Chelsea DeNofa. So yeah, this is pretty intense. There's a lot of cars here, a lot of Mustangs. Bunch of Ferds. It looks like there's a humongous car show here. I've never seen this many Mustangs in my life.
And we live in Bradenton.
Yeah. We got Mr. Quad Guy going. Yeah, buddy. I don't know where the fuck you think you're going. What a twat. That, ladies and gentlemen, is the definition of a twat. And it looks like Cleetus is having some fun over there.
So we're here, Bradenton Motorsports Park. Double shoot on a Fox body. Twice as much laundry. There's no place to park and unload any of our stuff, so that's good. I know Daniel's psyched to be here. We took him away from his video games this morning, so I feel a little bit bad, but... So we're looking through the concept sheet for the DeNofa Gittin Jr. race right now. Trying to wrap our heads around exactly how the execution is going to go. We're working with 3 cameras today. We have the FS5, an A7S2, and an A7 III. Ton of lenses, Ronin packages. We have a bunch of sticks for them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that the project is for a promotional commercial for Nitto and for performance. So they definitely have a way that they want to execute it. It's very specific as far as what's happening outside the burnout box. All right, so basically it's a new tire that they have, the new NT555R2. It looks the part for sure. Fun approved, baby. So here's the actual shot list from, I believe, Preston. The test hits start at 1 p.m. That's going to be recording all the in-car details and on track. The next test hit is 3:15. The first round's at 5 p.m. with donuts in the figure 8. I think they already filmed that over at the Freedom Factory. Tight slow motion shots of tires rolling at the start line. Tight with Vaughn Gittin car out of focus in frame with close up of Chelsea in car. We just set up all the rigs, so we're going to
in the Mustang.
Meet with Preston from RTR to figure out exactly what he wants to do. I know they have a bunch of gear too, so what I would like to do is really assign heads and who has each responsibility.
I'm the professional sandwich eater.
Fast, hooked up.
Yeah, I know. 149.
That's good. I said we did 150. You called 150 is gonna happen. What was the time?
9.7, 9.8. But so when I left the line though, I didn't. It was like I didn't leave on it.
If you left on it, it would blew the tires off. Braun was like, leave on it. He's like, leave on it, and I left on it, and it didn't even move. It just blew the tires off.
Got it. Yeah, I was like, where are you, Chelsea?
I was just hanging out.
What's it weigh and what's the power?
So it's up 3,000 pounds. It's about 900 NA and about 1,200 with the spray.
This is just the time run.
Got that clean lens now?
Look at that clean lens, boy.
Yeah.
Catch me outside with no little dust
10.03
speckles.
average. No one down there in the
Dude, look at this.
front section of the.
What are you doing?
Is that freaking Bruce Chauncey?
I don't know who Bruce Jones is.
I don't either.
Yeah, I don't know what he's gonna do, honestly.
A little worried.
I think just. This doesn't have to power your car, so where you just put your car in and stand on it, you really need to use the momentum, or just come in a bit slower.
Why did this snap around so hard?
Chelsea, come help our boy.
Chelsea, I need a pro tip. Look, man, it's not old technology like the Crown Vic. It's new stuff. You gotta walk it. You cannot expect it to self-steer in the slightest bit. When you transition, you have to transition.
Yeah, because you're just kind of leaving the wheel where it's at. Exactly.
Also, you look where you want to go. So if you look off track in the grass, you go off track in the grass.
Crown Vic hat.
Like 9 something.
Huh?
9 something.
So his Crown Vic is 9. The neighbor has 500 or 900 horsepower. So you literally just blip the throttle and it's a roots blower, so it just comes right to life. So he's been able to just kind of go in and power over, and with this car with less power, you have to use a lot more momentum and technique to keep the car lit off.
a lot more hand control, but it's so easy with like how good this power steering is. And once you just like are slower and think about it, it does it. Woohoo!
Nice job, dude. That was a super gnarly fast.
It was full walk right there. Like it felt almost full through the whole.
You were only like 4 feet from the wall.
All right.
Good job.
All right, about done.
Yeah, they're done.
Okay. All right, cool. Thank you, man.
I deleted it after like. Sergeant Foley.
Sergeant Foley reporting for duty. Guys, are you excited for today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be along for a ride?
Yeah, thanks guys. You're the best.
No, thank you. You're the one that saved this with your first truck.
Yeah, I just
Shout out, Ethan.
Thank
Love
you,
you.
Ethan.
Thank you very much for your truck.
Yeah.
Rock and roll, let's do this.